Gigapixel AI promises to enhance your images like never before, but does it really deliver? Today I'm diving into whether this AI image upscaler is worth your time and money, or if it's just another overhyped tool. Gigapixel AI is designed to upscale images using artificial intelligence, allowing users to increase resolution while preserving detail. This means you can take a low-quality image and make it look like a high-res masterpiece. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned pros. You simply upload your image, choose the scale like 2x, 4x, or even 6 and let the software do its magic. What stands out immediately is the speed most images process quickly, which is a big plus if you're working on multiple files. However, while the results are often impressive, the software can struggle with certain textures or intricate details. For casual users, this might not be a deal breaker, but for professionals seeking perfection, it could be frustrating. Overall, while Gigapixel AI aims at photographers and graphic designers, some users may find the output inconsistent for their specific needs. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ease of use and quick processing times are definitely highlights. The ability to upscale without losing too much detail is impressive, especially for casual users who want to enhance family photos or social media images. However, there are some drawbacks. The software can sometimes produce artifacts or odd results, especially with complex images. Plus, the pricing might be a concern for some, as it's not the cheapest option out there. Also, if you're looking for batch processing capabilities, you might find it lacking. So, if you're a hobbyist, you may enjoy the tool, but professionals might want to weigh their options before committing. In conclusion, Gigapixel AI is a solid choice for those looking to upscale images easily and effectively, especially if you're a casual user. But if you're a professional needing absolute precision, you might want to explore other alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but just be aware of its limitations.